we got this hanging neck. I already got the other one. This is for Papa and Mama, not for kids. Get it out. What? It also has the same. Wait, what is it? Oh, this is the necklace. What is it? Oh, extracts and memory rolls. And what is this?
That's for the necklace.
Yeah. Also, let's go ahead and go here. Whoa. Cool. And it doesn't turn on at all. It needs some charge. Where's the charging port? Oh, the charging port. Okay, so I have to open this up to get the necklace out of here. There we go. And now I'm going to put the necklace on there. It's magnetic. Let me check if it's magnetic or not.
No, it's not.
Where's the black? Okay. So Papa got the black one. Papa got the black one.
Yeah.
Oh, and then Mama got the pink one. So you have to put this on the hole. It's like a chain. I have to. Oh wait, this is Japanese. Is this used from Japanese? No.
Okay, so that's how it is.
Yeah.
Now let's see if it works.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let's see if it works. So let's power.
Don't press. Okay.
Okay.
Does it work?
Don't hear it. Oh, there's two of these. Do I hear it?
Does it work?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Mama's and this is Papa's. You're wearing it, Mama. You have to wear it because of the. Yeah, and I got one. Oh, my face is white. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I think it's like in here. No, I think mine is cool. I didn't lost it. I put it somewhere so it will be safe. It also has a cable.
Where's the charger, baby? Dalinyam, you wear this. Don't get it wet.
Mama, how do you activate this? Okay. Is this a new one?
You just have to end this, Binkoy. It's already 4 minutes.
No, wait, I'm still looking for
What are you looking for?
my.
Where did you put your air purifier?
I think
Liam, don't eat too much sweet. Okay. That's enough.
is my necklace. This is mine. There's a necklace right here. This is my necklace. Look, it turns on. It's so cool. It's a clean one also.